Lab 360 is a laboratory information management system designed to digitalize, organize, and simplify every step of laboratory operations. It ensures traceability, transparency, and efficiency across sample handling, analysis, and reporting. When a sample arrives, it is entered into Lab 360. Each sample is assigned a unique QR and RFID tag for secure identification, complete traceability, and tamper-proof tracking. Each sample is securely received through QR or RFID scanning. Once verified, the original identity is automatically replaced with a unique sample code and eliminating any scope for bias from the very first step. The lab in charge, or quality assurance team, allocates samples to chemists, assigns parameters, selects instruments, and defines testing methods, all within the Lab 360 dashboard. Lab 360 integrates certified reference material management, allowing accurate linkage between test parameters and reference standards, ensuring reliability and repeatability. Assigned chemists perform tests and upload results directly to Lab 360. The system can also capture raw data automatically from lab instruments, maintaining audit-ready, permanent records. The lab in charge validates results directly within the system. If discrepancies are detected, Lab 360 automatically initiates a retest, maintaining full quality control. Lab 360 generates comprehensive, customizable reports in Excel or PDF, including parameter details, chemist efficiency, and complete sample history. The integrated inventory module tracks lab consumables, CRM stock, and instrument usage, ensuring uninterrupted workflow and better resource management. Lab 360 provides a dashboard that brings everything together in one place. It displays the day-wise sample status, showing the progress of each sample at every stage. The total number of samples received and pending for each day is also shown. A pie chart provides a quick view of finalized and non-finalized results at a glance. With a single click on the Download Report button, reports can be accessed from anywhere. Historical data can also be viewed and downloaded as needed. Lab 360 delivers complete laboratory digitization, starting from sample registration and automated sample receipt, followed by double blinding, digital allocation, and task assignment. It also includes CRM management, instrument data integration, and automated report generation, combining accuracy, compliance, and efficiency into a single intelligent platform.